I'm gonna have to call that man back. What's good? What's good? What's good, people? What's good? What's
What it do? What it
good?
do? What it do?
What's really popping? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh man. So we started this evening a little bit late. I'm gonna give everybody a second to roll in. Dre should probably be joining us in a second. He he's leaving from the soccer field. What's good, family? We missed y'all. You know,
Yes,
it's
yes.
been a long couple days since we
But
last
yeah, I
saw
was
y'all.
maybe like 5 days. Maybe like
Yeah,
5 days.
a couple days. You know what I'm saying? But we're back, and boy, oh boy, man, have things progressed since we last talked? We got that high. We got us a move down. We got us a move up, and now we got us sitting here in the middle of the world, middle of something, about to do a little something, something.
Yeah, we is, brother. Yes, we are, bro.
So
That's it.
we got some things. Oh, listen, I got some things to catch y'all up on too. But before we get into it, gotta do our disclaimer. So, of course, this is not financial advice. This is financial edutainment only. So, this is not a signal service. Trade at your own risk. Futures is risky. You definitely want to consult a financial advisor before doing this. So, yeah, man. Quadree was good, brother. How's your week going? How was last week? All that good stuff, man.
Actually, man, it's been great. I mean,
Word.
we start really like feeling. We really start understanding the market. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? It's been good. Knock on wood. Great trading days. Ooh, caught that
awesome,
short today. Caught that short today. Um,
man.
um, yes, like everything. I'll let you go first because the analysis we did, man. I mean,
Oh, Nas has been crazy. Yeah,
I think
Nas has been
in a
crazy.
couple weeks, man. You know,
We've been pointing people in the right direction, man.
we
Pointing
definitely
people in
have,
the right direction.
definitely have, man.
Yeah. So let me show love to the people in the comments real quick. Cozy Baby was first in the chat. Was good. We got Dave Miller in the building. Henry, he said no trade today. We was coming, man. Kurt is in the building. We got Dre just pulled up. Let me go ahead and add him. We got Jay in the building. We got Larry in the building. We got Stock Chasers in the building. We got Strat King in the building. We got Anthony in the building. We got Sheena in the building. What's good, everybody? Shout out to all the Wolfpack folks. Shout out to all my runners. We
Good,
here.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes, sir.
here. Dre is here. What's good? What's good? What's good? Shit, man. I don't even. Where do we begin?
Man, let's just start. Let's go where we left off last.
So
I
we
think
left off. What was it? Third. What was the date?
Wednesday. We gave
The 30th.
yeah, we gave the play, not the
Yeah.
play.
So the 30th. It was what that night, right? When so that means
Meta and
we
Microsoft.
talked about Microsoft and Meta, how they ran up. And from there, we made that high. And the thing about making that high was we immediately turned around. So shout out to Larry. It was Larry. Yep. Matter of fact, now you bringing it back. It was Larry because if I go to the NQ,
Yeah.
we were talking about how if things got spicy with Apple, maybe we could get to 24K. But shit, the market had other plans, turned everything around. And I think
And
it
it's
was,
free, babe.
Larry and it was Larry. He was talking about this wick here that we had made from the whole Meta and all that run up. We came back and got that, and then again Friday, NFP Friday, the jobs was pretty bad. Actually, I'm gonna make this recap pretty quick, but what really made it bad was the job revisions for May and June. That shit
Like
was terrible, bro.
250,
so much
jobs,
that, huh?
with 250,000 jobs revised.
Like 258,000. Yeah,
Yeah,
man. Basically, May and June were barely over 15. Well, they weren't even over 15K when you did the revision. So they lied to us, which we kind of knew. They manipulated, right? Manipulated the numbers. So yeah, that was the NFP Friday. We gapped down, and we basically saw a 3%, run from that high we made with Meta and them all the way down to that Friday low. Right, so that's where we was at. That's kind of where the week ended. Oh, and the tariffs kicked in. So let me on the note about the tariffs kicking in on Thursday or Friday. Let me tell y'all what my ass did. So y'all know I was super close to passing this damn combine. And y'all know lately I've been waking up for the London session. So I was half asleep Friday. I woke up about alarm go off at like 2. And I see like, oh, bet. I'm like, oh, we about to drop because the tariff. Well, not even because of the tariff, but just the setup was there. I'm like, oh, London about to go crazy. Matter of fact, let me put it on like a 4-hour. Right. I'm like, this is, we was right here because this is what it was looking like. And, I'm like, oh, London about to go crazy. So I put the order in, and usually I just put the order in and I go back to sleep. So I put the order in. I wake up, I'm thinking, oh yeah, baby, like London down, oh, I'm good. How about past the combine? Bro, I woke up. Oh my God. I was like, how the fuck I'm down? What happened?
Right.
I was like, I had to wake up. I had to really like wake up. I was like, hold up, what? I know I ain't do what I think I did. So I go back in and I look at my log. Tell me why I must have fat fingered, and instead of selling, I bought. Yeah. I was sick. I was so sick, yo. So I woke up. I'm down basically like 1,500 because I did 2 contracts.
Dang.
Yeah, it was bad. So then after that, I tried to get myself out the hole, thinking we gonna get a little bit of a bounce, and we just kept selling. And then from there was a wrap, bro. I was sick. I was so sick, bro.
I know you had to be, bro.
So sick, bro. I woke up and text y'all like, bro, y'all won't believe what I did, yo.
I'm long right now, by the way.
Hit the buy button instead of the sell button, dog. I was so tight, bro. All right, now that I got that story out the way. So fast forward. Yeah, so we end the week down.
Please start, Zay. I'm long in queue right now.
Okay, bet. Here, I'll put you up because I'm just narrating.
What's up, Miller?
Just narrating.
What up, Juan? Hey, my people.
All right, Quadree. Quadree is long in queue. Let's get it.
Y'all can hear me, right?
All right, so yeah, after Friday, huh?
Y'all hear me good?
Yeah, we hear you, Dre. Yeah, we hear you. You good? Let me just finish real quick. Yeah, we got tariffs that kicked in. NFP Friday was pretty bad. And so what we got were some weekly bearish engulfing candles. When you look at the ES, that was down 2.5%. NQ was down 2.5%. And then, you had RTY down 4%, and you also had the YM down what was that last week 3%, right? And so coming into this week, you had you got this bearish engulfing. We know we are into August, so welcome to August, everybody. It's traditionally a slow month. This is a month of volatility. And August started off with volatility, right? Out the gate, NFP Friday was nothing short of it, right? And so and then just to kind of speed us up real quick, Monday, because of that gap, we got we rallied up. We got a nice gap up, and the market backfilled that gap that we left from the Thursday, Friday. And then today, we didn't really get any follow through. We actually sold down. You saw a little bit of selling based on the ISM number. However, we really couldn't hold down at those lows. And so here we are today, right? Or this evening, right? Getting ready to go into Wednesday. We're getting ready to go into this back half of the week. So with that being said, fellas, what y'all see, man? What y'all seeing for the rest of this week?
More red.
Pain.
Sell the rip.
More red,
Yeah.
sell the red.
Yeah, as we all know, this month started a little hot, a little fast and furious. So that means volatility, aka more movement during sessions,
Mm-hmm.
And usually volatility comes with a little bit of pullback, Q3 type of thing. So I'm expecting more downside for the week.
Mm-hmm.
And like I say, sell the rip. I mean, that's sell the rip mode. So we get a rally, and conditions are there. I will press that sell button.
That sell button off immediately.
Yeah. Today was a pretty good day, actually. Today, yesterday. Let's go back. You can. Oh, I'm sharing screen. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you are.
you already got it. Yep. Oh, shit.
So we started yesterday. We got down and did not retrace. Like this was straight line up all day. So today we came in and I thought, well, we're gonna have the same situation again. But we us the runner, we have our call on the weekend, and we pretty much like
Mm-hmm.
had tests over the weekend, and we saw what like well I bad tests and say bad tests, Quadree bad tests, and then we came and said what we wanted to see. So I was waiting for 23 380, and I got it last night. And how ironic, this morning my guy started tweeting.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
like we hit that.
Going in.
Yeah, how ironic. 380 hit last night in London, Asia, right here, London, and we dropped right here, rally again, and around this time he started talking. He started
Yeah.
talking, and then by any means necessary, like they say, the data. What came out today, Zay? ISM,
Yeah, ISM.
ISM, and that was right here. Boom.
Yep.
It tried fake people out right here 9:45. Ah, we're going long. What? And get smoked.
Yeah, with that okie doke.
Yeah. So, and a lot of things that we do in the pack came like it was a perfect, beautiful. They in the chat they know today was a beautiful short morning. Today was a beautiful morning. We had an amazing day in the pack today, baby. We all did.
Bruh, that when that ISM hit, that shit was automatic. Like it was like
Automatic.
shoo. It was like soon as the news hit, the market did choo, like
Yeah.
automatic, and then it just kept going too. Like that
Listen.
hourly candle was just
That already
shit
was about.
woo.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Yeah,
My target was 235, and that shit hit. Like it came here, I took my profit, it dropped more, and then rally again and short from the same level. Well,
Sure, something. Yep, down some more. Yeah, same on my end as far as just um like my levels. They have like the way I back tested. Let me just remove this line. So we this was Monday, so I was expecting. I wanted to see the market retrace into these fib level zones. And as you can see, Sunday, I mean, we pretty much was all the way already back to this 63.27. And
Yeah.
then the main trading sessions, 10 and 2, we pushed up a little bit higher. Couldn't
Mm-hmm.
quite get over the 63.81, but we backfilled this gap. This is where we kind of started to sell off from that night before, um, with the whole tariffs and all that stuff. So we took that liquidity up here, and we started to drip lower. And I knew we had that news, so I don't really like trading news, but boy, as soon as that news hit, that thing came straight down to this
Mm-hmm.
63.27, rallied
Hell
back
yeah.
up, couldn't get above the 50%, and we closed down here at the 63.27. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm just watching to see. Really, what I want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put my limit order in there.
Mm-hmm.
And if we get up to 63.27, I got a sell order there. So I'll just go ahead and automatically look for rejection. And like y'all said, I'm looking for more downside rest of this
Yeah.
week. Also thinking about it too, something that we did not we didn't really say
Mm-hmm.
was you had the VIX rule, right? So I know some people might
Yeah.
use that, but on Friday the VIX was up over like 20 some odd percent. And so usually because the VIX was up 20 some odd percent, depending on, all right, it was a red day. So within the next two trading days, you had an 85% chance of getting a green day. We got it
Yeah.
Monday. Yesterday or Monday, the VIX was down over 10%. So that means within the next two trading days, you got a possible for a red day. Now, I don't know if they're going to count today as that red day, but it was a red day. So now we kind of
Hmm.
like, all right, equaled out. Now we're going to, see where the rest of the week goes. We don't have very much as far as like economics or news go. I know tomorrow we got a 10-year auction.
Hmm.
Uh, Unemployment claims on Thursday, and then we got like a 30-year auction, and that's pretty much it. The rest of the week is all about earnings. I'm pretty sure. Well, actually, you know what? It's always Trump, and he was on the, like you said, he was going crazy this morning talking about the pharma tariffs, how he going to tighten up on India. I think he even about to start tightening up on the chips again,
Hmm.
because China not budgeting
Yep.
or they not budging or whatever. So yeah, it's the month of volatility at the 30 some odd percent run off the lows. This is the Q3, pullback we kind of looking for, all that
Mm-hmm.
good stuff. A little bit of mean reversion, for those that know, I do the Elliott wave. I have an Elliott wave theory. I don't really trade Elliott wave, but I have a theory. And at this point, it says wave 3 is done. It is now wave 4 pullback. And I would tell people that if that is the case,
Hmm.
like, this may take some time. Like, don't be so anxious to buy dips. This little correction could last, all of August and bleed into September a
Yeah.
little bit. So we'll see what happens. But it is going to set up for some nice opportunities as we go into the end of the year. But yeah, man,
For
that's what
sure.
I'm looking for. So I'm trying to see if I can get. You say you short, Dre?
No, no, no. I,
Oh,
I I took a trade from the phone on the
oh,
sacrifice.
you
I
already
got
told
long.
me. I know.
I
I
got
I
long.
got damn. I tried to get this opening short, but that shit went so quick.
Hmm. Yeah.
So yeah, that's where we at with it though. Quadree, you say you in the trade. Let's see how you tracking,
Yeah, I'm
brother.
already there.
My order just hit.
Yeah, my guy. Oh,
What's your
how's
target?
everybody in the chat? Ooh.
The 97. I just want 15 points. I'm on my Dre stuff today.
Hey, my guy
You
say
said you
15 points. Oh, my Tracy.
you
Dre
said
know. Yeah, Dre know why I took this trade too.
Yeah, I definitely know. He's cozy in the
you
building.
got to
Cozy,
tell the
you long?
people. The people don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, but no, this is my swipe low
Mm-hmm.
of the hour.
Yep.
Hold on. This is the 7 o'clock hour low. Swept it. I'm on a 3 minute. I trade the same confirmation here.
Mm-hmm.
Now looking for that 15 points up higher.
Abu, what's Asia
You
Mint?
said what's your target again?
97, but I'm about to get stopped out. But 97,
Oh,
15 points. But like
got
if I we swept this seven,
Yeah.
we swept the seven, the
You
seven,
long cozy?
the seven low,
mm-hmm.
back up, confirmation, go along.
Mm. Mm. Let's go.
So pretty much say the sweep of that previous hour low.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if I get along with y'all. See. No news tonight, right?
No,
Quadree.
think we clear. Let me just double check.
Yeah. My thing is like, all right.
Yeah,
Like,
bro. If anything, nothing until 11 o'clock.
right.
What's at 11?
That's we begin with a Z. What country? Let me see.
Zealand? New Zealand? Them niggas?
It's, dude, I'm bugging. Say Tuesday. No, and it's not tonight.
Oh.
Japan had the average cash earnings
Mm-hmm.
at 7:30. We got on after that, so ain't nothing tonight.
Okay. Gotcha. But, all right. So right now what I'm watching is this Asian Mint. We above it right now. We pushing. Let's go Quadree.
Yeah, little cash flow on the account.
Yes.
I'll give you that.
Getting that, trying to get that HI high and some.
Bro,
Are
that
you
12-hour was a beast.
Bro, I wanted to show y'all something too. After this hit, I'll show y'all something.
Man, yo. What you gonna show, bro?
No, just something that just confluence with our thesis for the week.
Okay. Yeah, these. I mean, I'm seeing everything I test over the weekend. Like I wanted to see a rally. I got it. Check. Boom. Dead cat bounce. That's what we call it, Zay, right? Dead cat bounce.
Yeah, we definitely had that
Man,
yesterday.
that's, I won't say that's what I you got so many names. That's what people call it. Let's put it that
Okay.
way.
Okay. So we got the
I don't care
little
what you
what
call it.
I just wanted to see my level hit. We
Right.
hit it.
I just wanted to see my fibs get hit. I don't care
Yeah.
what you call it.
Right. I got it. Now we inside NFP range again. And we below the previous monthly
50.
mint. Right here. This middle line is everything for me right now. We close below. I love check. That means momentum on the monthly is down. Okay.
Oh, you're not Zay ain't not sharing your screen. Are you showing this something?
Who?
Oh yeah, I
Oh.
got yours up, Audrey. Here. All right, go ahead, Dre.
Mm-hmm. Good. So I got my rally. Now the thing is, we in the middle, right? This is that Sunday range, and this is that Tuesday range, right? We open here in the middle of both. So like, say call it. Which one we gonna retest first? The Tuesday or the Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
So right now, meaning we are below the monthly mid we close below. If we don't get above here, I'm still favoring
The Bears.
bear side. Also, shout out to Austin. We got a Tuesday high. This right here is a Tuesday high. That can stay there all week, sir.
Yep.
Family. This can stay here all week and we could trade lower the rest of the week. So I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but it can happen. Like I'm mindful of that. It's in my mind right now. So it's early in the week. It's only Tuesday. Just let the trade get to you. Don't rush. Right now we just chilling. We're just chilling. Chilling. This Asia probably is gonna be up and down.
Yeah.
The way it's looking right now. Also, say this fit is from a long time. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Don't kill me in the chat. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
I don't even think people understood what the hell they just saw.
So right here, right? This is my this fib is my monthly fib. Right? Say look. So yeah. Yeah, right. This is the last time we had a swing low in the month
Mm-hmm.
before the run, so we got the switch right here. I measure that range, and I do the extension of the fib on the monthly. So that whole craziness on April, we came right into the 50%
Mm-hmm.
and jump. I didn't see this day. I started putting the fib again once you started putting it back in your shit. I saw it after. So I seen this. So now last week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Last week we got the high, return into it. Right here we got it. We cross, got a little bit, reject. Now this morning, uh, this was yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
We close. We close above.
Mm-hmm.
And this morning we reject the hard side right here. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
So now either we come back and get above it or we go and retest this one. And that goes with, but I'm not saying that could be the whole retrace that I can wait for the whole. That could be it.
I mean, that's a higher
So,
time frame, so yeah.
Yeah. From the high, that could be a 7% drop for NQ for Q3. It could be more, but like I have my alert close. You see my alert close below pullback, and like I'm ready. I'm not saying it's gonna get here. I have it prepared just in case. Like
Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff.
yeah.
I love to see it. I love to see it.
I cut that trade.
You said
You
what?
put that trend?
Yeah, I cut that trade. I ain't like how it was moving. $5 profit.
What's up with that?
I ain't like how we dropped like that on that candle.
This one, Miller? That's old. That's August. Oh, you mean last Friday? This. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. That's the NFP.
All right. You can share my screen when you're ready.
All right, let me exit out real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, you got it.
All right. So which helps me with my thesis this week. So one of the things that yesterday during that gap up,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know if y'all peeped this. I don't use value much, but I just wanted to see something. Even with that big run we did yesterday, we still
Yeah.
need to get past these two red candles here,
Mm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, look, do you see today? Today we had more selling volume and than we did yesterday.
All right.
Yesterday we was up.
Look,
Yesterday we was up like 400. What was it? 415? What we do yesterday?
It was the biggest day in a
Yeah, we did
minute, bro.
412 points yesterday.
it was a pretty big bounce, and guess what they was doing into that bounce?
Seller.
Selling in the strip.
Yeah, we
They
going up
ain't
to the
sell the rip. They was just like, yo, let me lighten up the load a little bit, because things have changed a little bit.
Yeah,
I
let
blame
me,
it.
let me see. Yeah.
That's why I'm like, for real, I want to see some goddamn on follow through tomorrow or
Mm-hmm.
Wednesday.
So then, my fibs. I'm on your fib.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder, like, yeah, this shit's nasty, bro.
I don't even put it that way.
Also, crypto been getting hit. TOT. You seen
That's what I'm
TOT's
saying.
day?
That's another thing. I'm telling you, boy, I got them signals, man. They
Yeah.
not looking too good right now.
Nah, shit. This
Not
shit, yo,
looking
fat.
too good, bro. But
Yeah.
hey, I'm only one person. What do I know?
Right. I mean, like, well, well, we told the people. We told the people. We told the people that second half of July was gonna be suspect.
It was actually, but here's the thing: second half of July wasn't that bad. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, what it's funny because at the end of the day, the last day of July and the first day of August basically took out all of July.
Exactly.
like,
Like,
like in like 2 days of trading took out a whole month. That's how you know that month was that whatever that run up was not really strong, bro. And to
right.
your point, right? Remember when I showed the the National Association of Active Managers? I showed, I said, listen, the market
Mm-hmm.
going higher, but the active investment, they are reducing exposure, bro. They not buying this rally up. They, if anything, they are reducing their exposure. Um,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Yeah.
man. So, you know,
So go to. Can you go to my screen real quick so I could show the people?
yeah.
Oh, you want to show something?
Yeah, I'm just showing like
Oh,
this,
yeah.
just drawing out certain things that we seeing right now,
Oh, okay.
right?
Man, I want them to come feel me, god dog it.
We're at,
Huh?
we're at,
Mine is at
I def-
24.50 on ES.
and then on the quick
Let's see my 12
right here. Also, we did something pivotal here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to,
Yeah.
How even on the 4 hour, right? We now below the 50% with the start at the top of last week, Wednesday. We went to 0.618. I don't have it drawn out, but it's 0.618. And then now we broke below the 50. So you already know. So you know the target would be these lows here on the SPX or the ES 6240.
22.
yeah, that's you basically showing my screen.
Where I've been listening.
Yeah, that's what I
So,
showed. That's
yeah,
what I
showed that
just
earlier.
showed. Those things. So as
Yeah.
long as we stay below, I need them to stay below the 63.27. That's where I'm trying to get filled.
Oh, right there. Okay.
Yeah.
No, not even really. I'm trying to just get in on this damn where this little small gap is, but it keep messing around. I don't feel like it get up there, then it won't I needed for them just give me like a 2.5 point push up, feel me, and then come back down.
And it's like everything that we doing, like the sellers right now are in control. Bears are in control
Yes.
right now. That's obvious. Like even if, like I said, I use that. I don't even use volume, but just by looking at the volume, the fact that we had that big push yesterday and it didn't even break, and then it was nowhere near close what we had today and the day before that. That's crazy.
It was just they just thought it was a seller's gap. They say, hey, look, we just need to go back in that gap and let us get out those orders that y'all skipped out real quick, and then you
Yeah.
can finish your you can
Yeah.
finish doing what you need to go back to the downside and fix.
And then now,
And another way to like make the point stronger of what you guys saying is whenever the market makes the higher day at 10 in the morning or 9:30 market open, that's you tell them that's a strong fact that the seller are in control.
mm-hmm.
I mean that means that the low dates coming end of
At
day.
the end of the day, yep. I'm learning now, brother.
You in the cat? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We not on the
So
same team. That's why.
we speak the same language.
Yeah.
Come on, there we go. Push, push, push,
Yeah.
push, 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 push.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy though.
What, the volume or just
Yeah, I'm just looking at the volume. Like, so I'm just looking at the weekly volume. So 5 million the week before last week. Then last week we had 7 million.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got so far 2 million. I don't know. Looking spooky.
Yeah.
it's
But yeah, my bad. That's all I was
It's
showing.
all right.
Just showing
It's all
performance.
right. Yeah. Love when we're on the same page.
And yesterday was definitely I added yesterday on puts. So those puts I added yesterday was already at like 30% today.
God. Let's
So
go. Yeah.
yesterday was a great ad, in my opinion.
Hell yeah. For sure.
And I was telling Zay, I've never been comfortable playing puts, but because now we got our thesis locked in place,
It's different.
I'm ready to just hold on until I get to my target.
all you gotta do.
Yep. So
And sometimes if they give you like a big enough rally, sometimes you got to take the opportunity to add.
yeah.
Like what we had with this week. You know what I mean? Like some people would have got scared out of their shorts
Yep.
when really that's an opportunity to add. You know what I'm saying? That's why I was kind of like, like that's why when we got the big gap down on what was that Friday at the low, I think I sold maybe one just to take a little profit. And then I kind of had the feeling like, all right, we're probably gonna bounce Monday. So I was like, I'll wait to see how we close on Monday, add back in, and then Tuesday will be my confirmation. I added another one. So I'm back to my original lot that I had. You know what I'm saying? So
It's good.
Yeah, and even you said in the group, like, add if you missed it, you was like, yo, when the next run up we get, add some puts, for people who missed it. So, and just buy yourself a couple of months out. So, some things run, bro. On Friday, the XPX I was on was up like 80%.
It's good. Car in the building. Let's go, my guy.
Granted, gave some of it back, but the entry was vital.
Let me see.
So we talk about AMD went to bed. Their data center numbers came in weak.
but they down.
They beat though. They did beat, but they why they dropped. The reason is their data center numbers down to 163. MCI would drop 16%.
I don't think they trying to let me in, man. don't want to, bro. Oh my God, bro. I don't want to chase, but damn, bro.
Car fight. No chasing. We don't. No,
No chase.
no.
No, I'm
Yes,
listen. First of all, I'm not chasing, but the trade ain't really moved how it's supposed to yet. So I still, hey, I might have to.
You got
I
time.
will chase a point or two. Chasing is
Right.
when you chasing a
Ah!
whole lot of points.
Yeah.
True.
It ain't that far removed. I might have to give up being a
Yeah,
stick
you wait.
girl,
You off a point. Was it 1 or 2 points?
huh?
Was it 2 or 3
Right?
points?
Yeah, and you gotta know I'm on ES. I don't be
Oh,
on
yeah,
y'all.
yeah,
I've been
yeah.
forget.
That
I'll
shit
be
is a different
forget. I'll be
ballgame.
forget. I'll be
Y'all got money.
forgetting. Yeah, I
I'm
forgot.
not on that. I'm not on that crack over there.
Yo, nah, that crap.
No, I'm dead. Hold on, let me go to ES.
Nah, it won't. I want to get this 24. What is this? 24.50, but it's not getting it to me. It keep creeping up to like
See, that's a big move on the
24.
ES though right now. Oh man,
Yeah,
It
like
keep creeping.
what?
only.
Was 7? I ain't even gonna lie.
He
Wait.
said, "Oh, he said, Jay, I know they short, but I'm trying to look, bro. Listen, on top of that, we about to go on to 9 o'clock. That's another reason why I'm like, all right, let me just wait. Let's let this hour change. But trust me, I
Mhm.
know, Jay. Look, I know, dog. We was talking to each other. Listen. I am just waiting. I am relaxed. You know what I'm saying? Just
Yes,
let it.
sir.
Just you know. I'll just say this. I personally have. I think the SPX will be at 6,000.
Hmm.
August
By
15th.
August. Yeah, August. Yeah, that's what I had.
By August when?
By August, basically August OPEX.
Okay, let's
So
go.
all right, here we go. Oh, there we go. Come on, give me that little. Give me that. Give me that. Give me
1
that.
minute. Yeah. Yeah, man. I think we're gonna test Sunday first, eh?
Hmm?
I think we're gonna test Sunday range first. I think we're gonna drop first and go up.
All I know is the path leads down.
Yep.
You want to take the scenic route? Fine by me. Just do what you need to do.
And another indication, man. A lot of people saying buy that dip.
A lot of people, bro.
They were like, buy
Like,
the dip. We stuck both.
they buying that. Yo, them dip buyers is heavy though. I ain't even gonna front. They
They
heavy.
are, man.
The dip buyers are heavy, boy.
Not
They are
yet.
heavy.
Yes, sir.
Not for me.
Yeah, boy. Oh man. So let me see. And also out of nowhere, hello negative news, bro. Every company had like a negative news today.
Hmm?
Out of nowhere, negative news came out. Like Tesla getting
Bro,
sued.
it's not. It's all right. Come on, Dre. It's not out of nowhere. We already. We
If
come on, bro. Come on,
I
bro.
mean, like,
It's not out of nowhere. Don't do that. Because literally a couple days ago, what did I? Don't make me go tag you in the message. Don't make me go tag you because I told everybody, watch how the media starts twisting the headlines, and all that's going to do is it's just going. All they doing is we talked about this. News justifies the move lower. They
fact.
want to take them. They want to take this market lower. So ain't none of this bad news coming out of nowhere. All this has been known.
Yeah,
I,
that's true.
I put that message. I said, y'all. I think I put it. I said, y'all, watch. I think I put it on July 31st. I said, watch how all these bad headlines and all this stuff is gonna. I said it just like that too. Dre. I said it's gonna seem like it came out of nowhere.
Yeah, like the
Bro, it
revisions
didn't
number.
come out of
The
nowhere.
revisions number come out on Friday.
You said
Yeah.
what?
The revisions come out on Friday, the first day of the month. Y'all mean tell me y'all got May, June,
Yeah, like y'all waited 2 months for that.
Right.
I just
There is
figuring
a
that
lot.
out.
Huh?
And also, random news events happen mostly in August too. So
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm
we
gonna
ain't
tell you though. I'm gonna tell you I think. Well, all right. So actually, shout out to X and Twitter,
yes,
but
sir.
it did correct some shit. So I thought it was gonna be that interview that the Taiwanese general did, where he was talking about how China is preparing to invade. When we rally hard, so again, it's sometimes like it ain't if a headline gonna really do something. Won't too many people talking about it, and really won't get no many retweets like that. So I was like, it don't got enough buzz. That's the type of headline that gets overlooked. It don't really get a lot of buzz, and then next thing you know, a couple days
Boom.
later, it's like, oh, China invaded Taiwan. They're like, oh well, what happened? Well, the dude, the general, was just on TV a couple days ago. He told y'all this was about to happen.
The market
It was just that. This was just like the. It was just like the Iran bombing. They kept saying, "Yo, we gonna, it's looking like it is looking like it's looking like it," and then one night they just finally did it.
Facts.
And that joint let
And it was like, oh, they bombed them out of nowhere. No, they didn't bomb them out of nowhere. We had ample. They kept saying, "Oh, it's gonna happen by the weekend. It's gonna happen by the weekend." It just happened to be on like a Thursday night or so.
And that stuff love happening like a Friday night, Saturday night, with the market not open.
Yep.
Yeah, everybody waiting to
So,
see what it's gonna be.
Strat King, you're right. Taiwan has been saying that for years, right? And when I saw the tweet and then I saw the little interview, I got some people on the inside. You know what I mean? I got some people that know some shit. And I called my boy and I'm like, yo, is this like is this for real? Like what's the level threat? What's the threat level? And this time around, the threat level is higher than usual, right? And so based on what he could tell me, here's what I can say. Number one, China has been waiting a long time for the right time. And they feeling like this is the right time. You got a lot of political infighting amongst the United States. The United States is looking very unstable right now. We got a lot of issues. We're looking a little weak. A lot of people don't know this, but China's Navy is now equal to or bigger than the United States. And they have been flexing in the South China Sea a lot lately. They have been flexing a lot lately. To the point where, again, the news will distract you, have you thinking about Iran and Russia is the problem, when lo and behold, for real, the right people are paying attention to China, right? We just know that China is never far off of the United States radar, and we're very much paying attention. And then again, like the Taiwanese general said, bro, this was supposed to be the year 2025, right? So I think between 2025, 2026, don't count it out. I know again, I said the same thing. That's why I had to call my boy, like, bro, we always saying China going to invade Taiwan. We've been saying this for years. But this was the one time where he was like, bro, I know we've been saying this for a while, but nah, shit's a little different this time, dog. I've been getting a little bit more chatter. Things is picking up. All I can say is, United States got their hands full with Ukraine and all this other stuff. Bro, the way he broke it down, it would be a really bad look, because if China do invade Taiwan and we don't do nothing, nobody is going to like trust United States no more. No ally. You know what I'm saying? Like they not going to feel safe. So for real, United States don't want that smoke, man. I mean, we good, but we kind of like, yo, y'all need to just chill. Like, you know, don't do it. Like, let us get out. That's why you think they want to build up our military and get out, you know, remodernize our military and all that shit. Cause China ain't been playing. China ain't been playing. But again, you know, the media and them, they gonna distract you and have you thinking the problem is Russia and Iran, when the real enemy, the real problem, and always will be, is China.
Yes, sir.
China. That's the real threat.
China.
Right. They the ones that got billions of people. They the ones that if it ever got to it, they can refill their ranks. Our army and Navy, our military is struggling for people. Recruitment is bad. You know, the military is, you know, needs to be modernized. We got a lot of debt. China is they are foaming at the mouth. They like the time is coming real soon. And I'll say this part right here is total speculation on my part. If and when that does go down, to me, that is going to be the turning point, or that'll be the, like when you write history books and shit, that's going to be the point where history turns.
Yeah.
When China took over Taiwan and the United States couldn't do nothing about it, that's going to be that signal and shift of there may be two superpowers and we may not be number one no more. Carl says you got an uncle in Taiwan. Look, I got connects, bro. I got friends in high places. You know, they can't tell me but so much, but they tapped in. Put it this way. Hey, Carl, put it this way. One of my friends is so tapped in. We have a SOP. So if some shit go down, like our families are meeting in a certain spot, we got certain communication protocols. Like he really put us on game. Like it's a whole group of us. It's not it's his family, my family, and it's like 2 other 3. Where if shit go down, we meeting at it. We got a meeting spot. Why you think I got my guns? Because they got guns, so I got my guns. You know what I mean? One of the families got a pickup truck.
Niggas ready.
Yo, I'm telling y'all, listen. He in the know. He's like, look, we just need to have this plan ready just in case. It's not no end of the world shit, but you know, shit pop off. Y'all better be prepared, man.
Car got a bazooka. He ready.
He ready then. Look, that's why I said, look, the last piece I need for my arsenal, and I'm getting it for my birthday, is that AR. Once I get that, you know, I'm gonna be ready.
Set. Ready for that kickback though.
Huh?
Ready for that kickback when you shoot it.
No, bro, listen, they got matter of fact, I went to the range a couple weeks ago. It was some dudes in there, bro. They had that joint sound like a cannon going off. And I looked, bro, it had barely no kickback. Like they was chilling. I mean, that thing was letting off. Literally everybody in the range, because this was the time where I went to the public lane. Yo, every time they shoot that joint, everybody was take a step back and look. When I tell you that joint sounded like a cannon, boy, they was letting that thing go. Woo, woo. I was like, woo. I was like, man, right, exactly, Larry. ARs don't kick. Yeah, you get the right one, damn shit. You get the right one, ain't got no kick at all.
Damn, bro. This shit crazy. Both.
Carl said the problem is the hypersonics. There's only one perception of parity. China's top tier weapons are not battle tested. When they do see real combat, they typically underperform. Yeah, I think my boy said the same thing. But I mean, shit, we don't want them to be tested.
No way.
Jay said people don't think it's possible, but it very much so is. It is. Again, once he broke it down on how advanced China's military is, like they literally they are not military, they navy. You know, that's one of the things that's always given the United States supremacy is that we've had the world's biggest navy. You know what I mean? We got, we can do a lot. Right, and as well as we got one of the best air forces. But now that China's kind of, well, not even kind of, they have built up their navy to where it can match the United States. That's the issue. I'm not too sure about what their air force look like, but don't let them get that air right too, boy. We really in trouble.
This shit crazy, bro.
Yeah, man. I think I'll be honest, man. Before our lifetime, I do think meaning us, the millennials. I think we do see a World War III, bro.
Damn.
Yeah. It's brewing, man. It's just a matter of when.
Yeah, that's just a matter of when. And it's gonna be it's probably gonna be a little different. You know what I mean? Than the old ones, like Larry's saying. We're gonna have to deal with cyber. You know what I mean? We're gonna have to deal with traditional weaponry. Shit. I hope we don't have to deal with no nuclear stuff. But Carl said 11 nuclear power aircraft carriers and 8 Ohio class subs. We just showed the world we can fly B2s.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, listen. Yes, the as my boy told me. Yes, the United States. We got some shit. Right? That's exactly how he always tells me. We got some shit. Like, don't get it twisted. I'm not saying like, oh, China just gonna whoop our ass.
I don't know.
Don't get it twisted.
Fuck out of here.
America is America for a reason, right? Like, we the world police. We the world police for a reason. At the same time, we have never really faced anybody that could really challenge us like that. And now China's getting to that space where it won't be this won't be an easy battle. It won't be an easy battle, especially if they go try to take Taiwan. We that's their side of the world. We in their battle turf.
Yeah.
You feel me? Like,
click clack. Yeah.
No new
shit now.
Well, so technically, Larry, one country has already gone nuclear. United States, when they dropped the bomb on Japan. I mean, I'm just saying, like, people always be like, "Oh, nobody's ever gonna go nuclear." Well, technically, the United States is the one and only country to ever use the atomic bomb.
He was wild. They wild with that one.
Now they trying to tell people to not do these, but they the ones that.
That's how it worked.
That's how it worked.
Illinois use it, then we use ours.
That was when the U.S. only had to. Did we have to? Did we have to? Or was that just a flex?
This move is getting.
U.S. Air Force is number one in the world. Do you know who possessed the number 2? Yeah, I know U.S. is number 1. I want to say the second. Is it? Fuck. I want to say it's somebody like Pakistan. Either Pakistan or because I know Pakistan, they got a hell of an Air Force. Who the fuck? Larry said India. I think it might have been. It might be India. I felt like it was one somewhere over there. India, Pakistan. It's one of them. I know. Neither one of them don't mess around.
Russia.
I thought it was Pakistan. It might be India.
It's
I know what
Russia.
we're going to. Who? No, Russia. Hell no.
No,
Nah.
I think so.
You talking about Air Force? Nah.
Yeah.
He
Who's the
said
second car?
he says the U.S. Navy. I ain't a military guy, so I don't get me wrong, but
Yeah, car. Yeah, car.
he might be a military guy.
Yeah, he is. Hell yeah. Russia. Yeah. Yeah, Russia number two.
I don't know. I'm about to ask ChatGPT.
That's who I asked.
Oh, they said it was Russia.
Yeah, second. Yeah, Russia.
What was the question you posed? Who had the second biggest Air Force?
Yes. No, biggest, no best. Not biggest. I put best.
Yes. Let's see. How would you rank the world Air Forces? Yep, United States Air Force. Yeah, Russia is second, China's third, India's fourth, Israel's fifth, Royal Air Force is six, French is seven, and then honorable mentions: Pakistan, well trained, agile. Yeah, I know they talk a lot about Pakistan. So yeah, so it looks like they say United States is the largest. The second in combat aircraft is the Russia Aerospaces. Number three is China, and then number four it is India. Mm-hmm. And then Israeli, Israel small, but they elite in every goddamn thing.
Mm-hmm.
They small, but they elite in everything, bro. They got elite, like they it's called the Mossad. That's like they CIA, bro. Killers, killers, dog. You on mute, Quadree.
That's it. Yeah, I seen the video of that. I think when one day I'm like,
Yo, they don't play. Like they intelligent services over there. Again, so let's make this stock related. That's why I like Palo Alto buying CyberArk, because CyberArk is an Israeli cyber company, and they got a bunch of Mossad people that work for CyberArk.
yes,
You know
sir.
what I'm saying? So the fact that Palo Alto just bought them, lovely, lovely, lovely.
Mm-hmm.
Carl, you going ham, bro, but it's not say it don't say nothing about the Navy. He said you miss a point. Air Force alone is larger than all. What I'm saying is U.S. Navy alone has the second most airframes. You probably right. You're probably right, but they didn't mention the U.S. United States Navy.
Pow.
I just
You
put
like
Air
this?
Force.
I wonder why.
PNW. You should look good, yo.
Larry said I don't like that move. What move?
Palo Alto move?
Oh yeah, he said he probably. Why you don't like that move? I thought that was a good move.
Yeah, think so too.
Why you don't like that move, Larry? That's gonna make them. That's putting them on par with CrowdStrike. Oh God, I think that is bad, bro. Palo Alto trying to become the next McAfee. Yeesh.
Nah,
That's bad. We are not getting above this
Nothing.
thing.
We're not even moving.
That he said from a security standpoint, you don't want all your tools to be with one vendor. True. So Palo Alto definitely did a lot of. They do a lot of firewall and all of that stuff, and then you bring in CyberArk. They're dealing with like the vulnerabilities and stuff. But so okay, so here's the other part, Larry. What if you have customers who are looking for a like one for all solution, right? If you got to start cutting, well, that was kind of one of the issues that happened before. Is if you start having to cut costs and cut out vendors, because you're trying to save the business money, wouldn't it make sense that you can get a cyber company that kind of can be like a one-stop shop? Granted, it does open, like you said, it definitely will open up, some vulnerabilities because you only got one. But most of the time, them guys can, you can build redundancies and stuff like that. You know what I mean? CS only deals with endpoints. Palo Alto bread and butter is firewalls. Yep. They have the XDRs, their endpoint security, and now they have CyberArk. Yep. I thought it was a good little deal, man. Honestly, not only that I think it was a good deal, I think it opens the door up to other cyber deals. So I didn't even realize that only 2 cyber companies are valued over 100 billion. CrowdStrike and Palo Alto. It's only 2 companies that are only valued over 100 billion. One for all solution goes against all security protocols. Palo Alto is hit 1 point attack. That was a deal with McAfee. Yeah, I've been in cyber for 25. Yeah, that is true. But I'm just thinking from a business standpoint, they trying to find ways to cut costs. They say, hey, if you could be a one solution, give it to me.
Hey. Yes.
Give it to me.
Consolidation Asia is tough.
You said what happened?
This consolidation in Asia is
Because
freaking
we
rough.
about to drop, right?
Well, we're about to drop. Okay.
No, I'm not saying right now. But
Oh.
I'm just saying in general.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So they just consolidating. Yeah, look at that. That's your box. I got your box up. Yeah, I just see nothing but a doji.
Yeah, for this 4 hour.
Yeah, that's all you getting is a doji. So we probably gonna have to wait till 10 o'clock.
No, that joint run. Do what it gotta do.
I just don't like that we open with a gap. So they gonna
What you said, Quadree?
No, I was just looking at
Did
the
NQ open with a gap?
No, I don't see no gap. That's what I was looking at.
Nah, yeah, the NQ don't have a gap. NQ don't have one. There's the YM. Let me see. Yeah, the YM got one. YM got one. And then the Russell. Looks like the Russell got one too. Got the Russell. Got the YM. So yeah, the YM got one. That's your NQ, Dre. Is we running?
No, that's oil.
Oh, that's oil. That's oil doing that?
Oil at 65, you already know. when it gets to 65, it gets the buying program.
Yo, and that pullback was that pullback was nasty too.
But I bet you it was from 70. I bet your money 70. Yeah, 70.
What's gold doing? I ain't even looked at gold in a minute.
Ain't doing nothing.
Gold?
You said gold ain't doing nothing either?
It's down 1 point.
Damn.
Wait, when did it get dropped? It went up and then make it drop. Hold on. Quietly. It was up.
Terrible.
Copper.
Is crypto doing anything?
Nah, it's dropping. And
It's down, yeah.
down.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Bitcoin look like it's forming the H pattern.
Mm.
You finally got China getting a down day. You notice China had 2 green days.
Back to back?
Yeah. Monday and Tuesday were green days for them. They finally getting a little bit of green or red today. The yields ain't doing nothing.
Nope. Nothing is popping off tonight at all.
We need to get a Trump tweet.
We do.
It'll be
6 o'clock
perfect timing.
tomorrow morning. Hell yeah.
Go ahead and drop them pharma tariffs. 200%.
Damn.
Stock chases. I do. I have an alarm that goes off. I wake up real quick, take a look. If I like what I see, I'll place a trade, go back to sleep. But I don't do it too much, man, because like I said, I be sleep, bro. 2-3 o'clock in the morning. I'm yawning now.
Yo, you see that fake article about Warren Buffett buying UNH?
For real?
That's why it was fake.
Oh.
Berkshire B didn't stamp it.
They rebuked. They came out and said no, that's not true.
They didn't deny it, but it wasn't on their website. It wasn't.
Oh, they didn't deny it. Ooh. That seemed like his kind of business. Bruh, if news break he is buying it, just know
that shit go crazy.
The bottom is in.
Hell yeah.
I did get in it and I sold out of it though quickly because I can't get this Swiss verified.
Let's go.
You already you said you already took a trade, Dre?
This morning, yeah. Yeah, what's it?
No, you mean this evening? You said this morning.
Yeah. This evening. All right.
This morning.
Yeah, I got this long right here.
Which one? Oh, okay, you caught that.
Yeah.
Caught that. That's the only one?
Yes. What's the top?
Quadree, you get a trade?
Yeah, I had stopped with like $5 profit. I ain't like how the price action was.
This box cozy Sunday. What about? Because this green box is NFP. This you already know is my 12-hour, and this blue box is that Sunday range. that you will learn, and the other yellow box here, orangey, is the Tuesday range.
No, they said the bottom right.
Bottom right. This one or this one?
Probably that one.
This is the indicator. It tells me if we below the mid right now, it's gonna tell me we below. And this, we inside NFP. So right now we're still inside NFP. Like if I take all this, all the distraction away, you're gonna see
She said the lowest indicator box bottom right. So yeah, I think it's the one that you go to the left or to your right. The other one. Yeah, I think that
this
one.
one. Yeah, that's that. What it means is this NFP box. We inside, so it's letting me know we inside, and then we below the previous month 50%, which is that purple line right here. Yeah,
You said PT.
it's a new. Huh?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, it's not a PTFS indicator. This is random indicator. He made it. I think last week, and I still working on it. Like I just got it yesterday.
Oh yeah, that's a new one. Yeah,
Yeah.
you gotta hide that one, bro. Now you got everything. They gonna be like, we need that.
No, he posted. He already posted.
Oh, he posted. Okay, yeah. See, look,
But he went over this morning. Yeah.
Huh?
He went over this morning. I still got to
Yeah,
learn.
they posted if you Cozy, if you she in the boot camp, she in the pack, right?
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, they posted in the random chat earlier today.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yep. Go tag her.
But I gotta find that. There's so many people see.
Uh,
I gotta find that.
Yeah.
We pushing up now, Quadree.
Oh hell yeah, we push.
Where we at? 9:30.
Yeah.
Wow, that junk savage, straight savage, bro.
What went to your target?
Yeah, my target was 87.
Oh damn, yeah, we there now. We at 8 or 9.
We went as far as
Okay, cool. Yeah. Hell yeah, let's go.
Dang. It's all good though.
Yeah, they about to just keep us here all. Well, it's just
Up and down, yeah.
yeah, choppy. You gotta wait for 10 o'clock per usual. I don't even think we got no data tomorrow.
We don't.
No, we don't.
So maybe they don't want no gap down then. I don't think we would want a gap down either, but actually, yeah, I would want a gap down. Why not? Go ahead and create just gap down, create a bunch of gaps as we make this move down. That lets me know, yeah, we definitely gonna come back up once we get past this little correction period.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd rather start from the up than if I'm short. And if I want to short, I'd rather start up top. So yeah, let's push up tonight. Wake up.
Right. You talking about tonight, right? Like push up and then when we get into the morning. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why this morning I was like, yo, he's tweeting, right? And we had 380. I said, I'm not complaining, but I wanted it to happen at 9. But we stayed there till like 9:30, to like 9:30, 10, 10:15 type of shit. So we stay around the area
until that data come out,
and then wakata. Shit. Yeah, bro. shit was
Boy, that
bro.
data came out.
Yeah. And Natty, like usually I front running a little bit, but this time I was like, you know what? I'm a be patient and I might wait for my level to hit. Bro, that shit came perfect.
380.
Well, the setup was like 380 is the zone. I gotta see the setup form in that area. So when it formed the I short 391.75. 23 to
Oh, so you got
91.75. Yeah, bro, I
in.
got a 945 whip. Yeah.
I would say that's higher than
Yeah,
that's
the
higher
380, yeah.
than
The
that's
380.
so that's a real good entry then.
Yeah.
So
And
yeah,
I got in. I'll tell you what I got in. I got in at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Oh yeah, so I got in at 10:12 at around 23.
Yeah.
I think 23
But
or 9.
oh shit, Shaq Nass is here? Come on, bro. What's good, bro? Yes. Oh shit.
Yeah, I took like a 30-point trade on that.
Mohammed, what's up, bro?
nice. Oh, here we go. There we go. Push up, baby. Push.
Oh yeah, let's
Yep.
go,
Here
baby.
you go, Dre. This the push we wanted right here.
Yeah, I am long, by the way.
Oh, you in the long?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I am long, and I'm stung. Yeah, I'm gonna stand my target. Hell yeah.
Amen.
Trump talking. Trump talking. Hell yeah. Hold up.
Well, where you see that at?
First squad. The studio. Hell yeah.
Hold
Targeting
on, Trump talking
Trump.
right now.
Eh,
What, he talking right now at 9:40 at night?
Roger went to my target too.
oh no. Well, it's no. It's about what Trump said earlier about China. Like I guess they're reviewing what he said in China right now today. Trump Gambit initiate national arm race to control Congress scam. Uh, targeting China, Trump's step up effort against tariff evasion. Hmm. Japan chief. Yes. No.
Wow, that's did me dirty.
Yeah. Let's go.
Wow, that trade would take like a whole. How long we been on? We've been at that would have been an hour and 30 minutes of me in that trade for 15
Yeah,
minutes.
we got on at like 8:15. So
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't lose no money, but dang.
say what? That don't make no sense. Started a dated. All right. I was reading that wrong. Okay, started a dated short position. Palantir.
Let's go.
Somebody going short Palantir.
Huh.
Yeah, we pushing.
Yeah. We are pushing.
We going up. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. And we pushing hard as hell.
Yes, we are. Yeah, somebody talking because
Soon
they're
as
trying to
you
move.
Yeah,
yeah,
Trump
I
is
was about to
talking.
say,
He has to be talking. There ain't no way he should pushing like this at this time.
nah, he why he gotta be talking?
Bruh,
The
ain't no
market
way,
can
bro.
just be moving. The market can
Bro,
just be
we
moving.
moved 100 points. What do you mean?
Bro, I'm looking at the ES, so I don't be
Oh,
looking at the NQ, dog.
bad. I forget.
No, Larry, you hit the wrong button. What happened, bro? Hey, you can't blame it on sleep though.
Hold up, bro. You gotta share my screen. Look at my tray, bro. Oh shit.
Oh, hold
This
on, I got
shit.
you.
Oh yeah.
What we was looking at? Quadrees.
Hold
There you go. You got it, Dre.
Wait. Hold on. I gotta put it.
Oh well, yeah. I mean, the ES did push 11 points, so I think you
Yeah,
just took your screen down, Dre.
wow. This moved 30
Huh?
points. This moved damn near 40 points in 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, he hit the wrong blunt.
Let's go. I'm over my target, but this shit moving, so I'm writing it. Pause. Yeah. Yeah, I'm this shit
Yeah,
moving,
Dre
bro.
is funny as hell.
I just need 15, bro. This shit going crazy. Who's talking, bro? This is no way, bro.
Bro, I'm mad because I had the same trade and I cut my joint and then I'm like, bro.
Then it goes.
Because we kept, if you look,
Bro.
nah, bro, you see how Jones moved? That was 1, 2, 3, 4. It was 5 candles, 5 negative candles, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That was 30 minutes and negative.
All right, they're gonna stop me. Oh.
Granted, I could have got back in though.
They're gonna get me. Boom, baby.
You moved your stop up.
Who? Yeah, I'm writing it. No pause.
Order filled.
There you go. They got me, son.
This nigga Dre is hilarious, bro. Brian
Yes,
DePaul.
sir.
Bro, look, I'm gonna just say this, Dre. This is not the Cameron and May show, dog. You ain't gotta say pause, dog. We know you. We know you traded stocks, dog.
Hey, I
I feel you. Look, I feel you, but bro, that's one thing I be hating, dog. I hate how you gotta pause everything. Like, bro, I'm married. I got kids. I'm not fucking gay. I'm not saying that like I don't got nothing. I'm not anti-phobia or nothing. Let me just put that out there. But I just hate the fact that this young generation, you gotta pause everything. Like, bruh.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Like that shit is corny, dog. I'm not about to pause every goddamn thing.
True.
That's the culture we in today.
What that tells me is this culture always got they got a gay mind. Cause if like why you thinking that way?
Yo, bro, it'd be like that's why I'd be like, then you gotta watch who you talking to, because it's like
Facts. Well, that was the action. Yeah, so it. Little late.
good money, man. Good money for sure.
Yeah, so we up for the night. We are dang, that's a great night. Oh shit. That was not in the plan, guys. That's not my trade. No, that's not my trade. It's not my trade.
40 points.
Oh man, look at 2,107.
Let's go.
Yeah. That's it.
Damn, you caught that right before 10 o'clock too.
Yeah.
You did, bro.
That was a hell of a trade. I don't even
Well, I got 500 earlier this tonight, and then that was 1,500 right there. So 207.
I gotta give me another
2,107.50.
I'm probably gonna give me another count tomorrow.
For what? Tafta?
The trade Asia.
Tafta got a special now. 25% off.
That's it, bro. That's the same special last 3 months. That's
oh, bro. I don't fuck with
I see how they did that, but I'm like, bro, I've been using that code.
Oh, I didn't even know about that code. I just found out today.
Get rid of the Top Stud need to get rid of the 150 fee though. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like that.
And my boy told me, I think Apis took that trailing stop loss. He was trading the Apis account today. He didn't. He said, "Yo, there's no trailing stop no more."
He did down back with Apex now. Hold on.
I think so.
Oh.
I'm not sure. I don't think they got the trailing stop. I'm not sure. He told me today that he thinks that Apis took the trailing stop for combines. I'm not sure though. Don't quote me on that one, but
No, I still say trailing threshold.
he does.
Yeah.
But he said was yeah for sure because
Yeah, when
you
it was like
sure.
trailing threshold, yeah.
Mm,
That's the only thing, man. I don't like being penalized for something I ain't catch.
okay. Yeah. Let me get out of
That's why,
here.
like with top step in my funded futures, you can let the trade run on there if you want to, and don't get penalized if it come hit your
Yeah,
profit.
don't get penalized. Yep.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Yeah. Facts.
my funded futures though, they got when you trade in the regular joint, you got the consistency rule. So I had to come my trade today, even though I was cooking on it.
Oh, that shit whack.
Yeah, but it drops off once you
I think that's a good rule though, bro. It's a good rule because you got some people that they do that apex trick where they get two accounts and just do opposite sides. Like,
Right. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. That's true. Makes sense.
mm.
We dropping now. What happened?
Yeah, I mean we were tracing back down, but I was
We hit your fit though. No, and yes, didn't hit your fit.
it did.
Oh,
It ran up. It ran past it. Um,
we're probably coming right back.
but I
I
don't
don't know.
like this. It's just a 4 hour doji, so I'm gonna wait. I want to see what 10 o'clock do. So
Bet.
I'm gonna see.
Yeah, patience, faith. Who
Yeah,
got that train? Miller, you got that tray? Miller took that tray. Let's
yeah.
go,
A few
Miller.
people got. A few people caught that long. A few
Yeah,
people caught the
let's.
long. So
This shit, Larry. What's up, guys? Yeah. Hold on. Oh, my daughter's calling me. 1 second.
oh yeah, we good. Now we waked up.
that was a beautiful trade too, bro.
Yeah, that shit started going out of nowhere. I was like,
Yeah,
damn.
I cut it. I mean, I stopped him. I mean, I was in profit obviously, but when trades, and this is just like from experience. When trade taking forever, bro.
You gotta, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yo,
You
I
got
was thinking, I was about to ask that Shaq Nasty. I was like, does somebody know who this guy is? Like, I honestly, I don't know who that is, but we got the message, bro. Friends, there's gonna be an interest rate cut. Here's why stock is like, come on.
yeah, I ain't even. You see, we all
He done put that message in. He done put the message in there. He done put the message like 3 or 4 times already. Like, all right, bro, we get it.
It's fine. Even read it.
Yeah, they definitely are trolling. Gotta be. Well, yeah, they trolling. They also probably trying to get you to buy
XRP.
XRP. I don't think nobody wanted Ripple though.
Nah.
Yeah, we got 10 minutes and then about to bounce, man. I'm fucking tired, dog. Damn, that was a nice little. That was a hell of a pop.
Yeah, we don't never get those. Bro, I ain't seen a trade like that in a minute. I want to like Asia.
Right. I feel like it came out of nowhere too.
I know Quadree went long too. I see it now, but
I see it too because I thought we would you know what, I had a, what was that, the 18 6 o'clock is when we open, right? So I knew we had this little, at least on the ES we had here, I'll show people what I'm looking at. So from an ES perspective, this was that opening candle. We got this little gap up in here. Once we couldn't break, or so actually this your trade, Quadree, how I would look at it.
it is. That's but
If
that's
I
what I'm
go to the
saying.
4 hour, this
So
your
if you
trade right here. Like we
that's why I
swiped
was.
this low. So start looking for the turn to go back up. And then if I like go to a smaller time frame, like I was saying, we open with this gap. So once we swipe that, I was thinking we was gonna retrace back into this gap. That's actually why I took that. I took my order off because I was like, you know what? If we go fill this gap, we might even take out that high. And that's exactly what we're doing. So I'm gonna let this play out a little bit.
So, can you go to my screen real quick, bro, when you get a chance? I'm gonna show you what I had marked out. This is what I had marked. I was in it here when we first got on, right? We got on what, 8:15?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I was in it here, but then you see what happened.
It just was chop.
Yeah. So when we got up here, I cut it at like $5. This would have been a $4 trade on that, right? And then at 9:30.
Was there some news at 9:30? Like what? Something had to happen.
There was nothing. There was nothing for the rest of the night, bro. It just randomly just popped
sure? We ain't get nothing.
Look, FX calendar.
Nothing on the calendar. That seems like such a random pop.
Look, Tuesday.
Like at 9:30 though.
See, Tuesday 7:30 was the last thing, bro. We got on at 8:15. That just was random, and then I'm like, bro, I'm not about to sit there and then go for a loss tonight. So, nah. Look at that. I sat through all this. So I ain't even really mad. Because this is not really even a clean for me, myself. Oh, you appreciate that. That's Austin. What's up, man? I think that's what that is. Yep.
Word.
So, yeah, this don't look wrong. Yeah, I ain't mad at that. But then we did create a blocker. I mean, what is it? Wow. A breaker. It's all good, though.
Well, at least you didn't
lose money.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Yeah. Dre smoked that one, though. Good execution, man.
Yeah, he did. Well, he also said that. So he said, I want us to go up so I can short it in the morning.
Yeah. But I think
side note before we leave in a few, I just saw this post, bro. This shit kind of funny to me. So this dude post, he said, listen, he said, prices are never coming down. I don't care who you voted for and what they talking about. That's why investing is important, because you have to get on the other side of it. Your money has to grow, and you have to put your money to work, because the prices of things are only going one way. Yo, that is so true, bro. I be trying to tell people, I be like, man, y'all really think prices is gonna go back to what they used to be? You a damn fool. And I mean that in the most respectful way.
Yeah, bro. That's why I don't even be talking to people, man, because I can't even be honest. I gotta lie. Or just keep quiet. I just keep quiet, bro. Because they
terrible.
Because it's either they think you they get into the politic portion of it. I'm like, I'm about money, bro. What are we talking about here? You gonna be sitting there and you're stuck in your way, and then you're not gonna have missed this whole run. Like, think about it, yo. Well, we don't take it for, like, if you ever look back and think about it, think about how many people we know who've missed this run since 2020. Don't even know what's happening. Like, bro, like, people really don't even know that the last 5 years they could have made so much money. But they complaining about other stuff, man.
Yeah. I don't know, man.
Tell you, man, I was talking about crypto.
I was
talking about Bitcoin, yo. They said, somebody told me that's fake money.
You said what?
Somebody told me Bitcoin is fake money.
Yeah, somebody like person like that, you can't really have no conversation with.
That's all right. I'm gonna take my 100% return.
Right. Like, you just, and I think that kind of just goes to the whole misinformed, ill-informed,
Mm-hmm.
whatever you want to call it. We could have a whole conversation about that, but you know, um, what can you do, bro? What can you do? Like you said, I don't even have the conversation no more. I just let it be, bro.
Yeah, man. And it really it's really eye opening, man.
It is though.
And then it's like once you're exposed to this world, it's like I can't unsee it for the rest of my life. Because then I'll be thinking I'm a failure.
Yeah. That's why I understand when you are exposed to the trading world, investing world, you see the world different, bro. That's why when people always be on some when I make a post or the people that get me is the ones that always be like, they always say it's not all about money.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's all about money, bro. But if I break down almost just about everything you want to do in life, if we get back to the root cause, I bet you money plays a part.
I should never quote this man, but Floyd Weather always said something that I was watching, bro. He was boxing. And he was like, money isn't everything, but it's the only thing. That's true. You can't.
That's a good ass for what? Say that again?
I always say it. Money isn't everything, but it's the only thing. You can't eat. You can't sleep. You can't drink no water. You can't get no McDonald's. You can't go to the movies. You can't go shopping. You can't, man. You can't even,
you can't have the life experiences you really want. I mean, yeah, there's some stuff that's free,
bro.
but
You can't even go get you a little bag of ice. like you just gotta think about it. I hate that saying because just think about all the stuff you do on a daily basis. You can't have no cell phone plan. You can't put the AirPods on your ear. You won't have no laptop. You won't have no internet. It's just so much stuff that you think about it. You is evolved around money, and guess what? It's all on the stock market. So I was like, to tell me that, that's crazy, bro. And us in the situations,
yeah,
being in your situation, I'm first in everything, bro. Money was the root cause of all that. So to tell me money don't have a better life, if I ain't have no money, I'll be in the hood. I'd be on Section 8. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
I'd be
shit. Fuck the bullshit.
Yeah, that's what it is.
We was on food stamps. We was on all that shit.
You talk to one of them. I don't even when it come around those type of people, my family, bro. I don't even talk about that stuff, bro.
Yeah, it's just a far removed concept. You kind of they stuck in one way of thinking, and it's unfortunate, man. Yeah. It's unfortunate.
But you crazy telling me it's not about money.
Then what is about? That's what I always say.
That's why you go to work for money. You go to work for money. You don't go there for free. The reason why you get up out the bed when you don't feel like it is for what?
Because you got bills to pay. That requires that money, right? You got to put food on the table. That requires money, right? You got to put gas in your car. That requires money.
To go to work.
Put it this way: that vacation you want to take costs money. That experience you want that's going to bring you happiness costs money.
It costs money.
So
that's why I was so glad they posted where they said, money does buy happiness. And of course, there's different tiers of how you display it. But even let's say we wanted to say.
I'm just reading the comments. Go ahead.
Just say
Chad Nasty Pieces was funny, yo.
I see that. And the thing is, this replaces video gaming for me. Don't get me wrong. Oh yeah, dang, we over here. Austin gave you.
No, we good. We good.
Austin gave you a few shout. I don't know if you've seen it.
You said where?
Austin gave you a shout out about your post. I'm looking at the comments.
Oh, okay. Yeah. He says I really like your macro posts on X. Good stuff. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. I try to be insightful, man.
Oh, and I don't
No,
think
what you were saying though, before I cut you off, my bad.
No, I'm saying this has replaced video games for me, bro. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, I used to sit there, and I think we all have. Like, I used to sit there in college. Now, mind you, I was just trading. Like, I started off trading weed shares. And people don't know like the Tilrays, the MJ stock, the
Yeah, hey, bro. The way you said that, I was about to say you started trading weed. What?
no, can't be growth, bro. Look, I can show you, bro. Look, I'm gonna go back in time, bro, to when I was in the market, and this will make me so mad, bro. I don't even know this stock's still up there. It's still up there.
Which one? Chronos?
Yeah, I traded that too. All right, bro. Nah, I'm gonna go way back, bro.
Oh man, chill, right?
Bro, I caught this move up here, bro. I tell you, no lie, bro. No lie to you. I'm in college, bro. When I bought it, I took the refund check. No lie, bro. No lie, bro.
I feel it.
No lie, bro. When this happened, I got in probably like around like 100. It went to like 200, right? I was like, yo, I know what I'm doing, bro.
Hey, Carl, facts selling bricks.
Yo, look,
bro, so what happened? All right, it went up to 200, and then what happened? Did you sell?
Yeah, I sold, right? Then I bought this joint, right?
That's which one is
so,
that one?
But I was sitting here, and this is the irony.
Oh, that's Canopy. Oh, I remember Canopy, boy.
Yeah,
Canopy got everybody.
Yeah, it was back here. So it was here.
Yo,
are you back? So I was sitting here like, bro, like, yo, I really was one of the ones. You know, we make your first couple dollars. Yo, we back. It's over. Like it's about to be legalized. So we about to get
Aurora cannabis. Yup, Aurora.
Yo, that's another one too.
Aurora cannabis.
Yo, I was in all. Listen, bro, I was in everything, bro. I wasn't even in the MJ ETF. I learned about that after I lost my money. Look, so I can't anything. I'm like, yo, weed the future, bro. Everybody smoking it.
Yeah.
we about to get dispensary. We about to invest in
this.
Bro.
Right.
Look, I know,
I ain't gonna listen. For I was on the same wave too, bro. And then that's I was on my heavy weed smoking then too. So I'm like, oh shit, we about to be legal, baby.
And then Jay-Z dropped the weed strand. I'm over there investing like the little pennies, whatever that was. Like, bro, I gotta find this. I don't even know if that stock exists anymore, bro. Oh, one stock I did make some good money with, though. No lie, though.
Tilray.
Nah, I did.
We already talked about that one.
That was the one I made the money on.
Okay.
Nah, it was Planet 13 in Vegas.
Ooh. Oh God.
Because they had an actual dispensary in Vegas.
Carl said the profits went up in smoke. Literally. Or look, they was grounded. They took it and grounded it.
Let me see. Yeah, this stock, bro, right here. This killed me right here, man.
I remember that shit.
I don't remember that.
This the weed store in Vegas with the nice little
How is this shit still like trading?
This is cool. Like when all this is popping off, this is the store right here in Vegas. Wow. I'm like, bro, yo, they about to expand. They about to go global. They trying to build something in Texas. They trying to build something, man.
Now the weed run that happened in the stock chases. The original weed run happened in 2017, 2018.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's when I was in college. I wasn't in college, 2020 now. That was cool.
Yeah. But no. Stock chasers was saying 2020, 21 is one for the history books. But what I'm saying is that the weed run he talking about, that happened 2018.
Yep.
I know all too well about that. I'm with you, Quadree.
bro, I was over here, yo, telling everybody
I
invest,
remember.
bro. Man, let me tell you, after a couple months from that, I was like, yo, bro, I'm telling you,
That's
bro.
when listen, dog. Them weed stocks gave me my first dose of hopium.
Yo, yes, that was what really put me into the market, bro.
Nigga, I was hoping they went back up, boy.
it was going all around the campus and everything, like, bro. I'm
Bro,
like, yo,
Oh my god.
like
I
people,
think I bought.
we was using. It's still out there, but we was using GroupMe, like, yo. I don't know if you remember the app
No,
GroupMe,
GroupMe's
like,
still out there. I don't think a lot of people use it though.
yeah, but I'm like, we using GroupMe because we was in college. We're like, yo, bro, buy that joint now, bro. That joint about to go. That joint about to. Yo, little did I know, bro. I should have just took that money and bought me Amazon and Apple when they was at $12 and $13.
Nah, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell
bro.
you what.
Like,
One of my biggest fumbles was not buying Bitcoin early.
yeah.
Cause that was again, we was around there. That's why I was in college. And again, matter of fact,
Bro.
my same homeboy that's in the inn, that was my college roommate. He was an engineer major. And so he knew about Bitcoin back then. But he was like, man, don't fuck with it, bro. They only that stuff is used for to buy drugs and stuff on the internet. Like he was, or what was that website? What was that site that got taken down?
I know what you're talking about.
And you could buy guns,
you could buy all
drugs.
This movie
all
right
that
here,
shit.
bro, was about I went to the movies to see this because about Bitcoin.
Yeah.
It's crazy what they look like now. This came out 2015, bro. I'm like, bro, like, yo.
Was it Pirate Bay? Nah, it was another. I know that one, Carl, but no, it was
isn't this nigga in that movie?
What was that website
And,
where it was back in? I want to say this was like 20. This was probably 20. It had to be 20.
A$AP Rocky. It's in that movie, right?
Yeah, A$AP Rocky in the movie.
Yeah.
That's one of the movies. I'm like, bro, I'm trying to get Bitcoin, bro. I'm trying to buy stuff, like, bro. That movie right there want to meet me. I was about to be a drug dealer. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I was just trying to flip.
Silk Road. That's what it is. There you go, Brett. That's the website. That's what my boy was like, man. Don't buy Bitcoin. They use that for Silk Road. That's exactly the website. That website, yo, you could buy any and everything on that website.
This the movie,
and they
bro.
only use Bitcoin.
This was the movie right here.
Dope. Yeah,
because I was in college, bro. I'm like, bro, it's finally, yo, I could really flip bricks and be a nerd. Like, I could really I figured it out. I always wanted to be Tariq with Course Connect. This is about to be it. This is about to be it, bro. This is about to be it. I couldn't. There was too many loopholes for me to get into the crypto space, though. That's why I didn't start investing in Bitcoin until Coinbase and Crypto.com came out.
Listen, all I'm gonna say is, man, that 2017, 2018, that was a wild time, bro. Silk Road. That's also Silk. So, Silk Road was one. I remember the Mt. Gox crash with Bitcoin. I remember people was running around going crazy. Yo, my Bitcoin gone when the Mt. Gox shit happened. It was some wild times, man.
Think about this, bro. Look at this run when this stopped, bro. Like,
yeah. Which one is that one?
This is the Planet 13 joint. Look at the run on it, bro.
That's what crazy.
And then look at this thing now.
It's below it.
It's 22 cents.
Yeah.
My history is a little different than you. Mine's in RKK. I got some.
Oh yeah, that's 2020 stories right there. Yeah,
bro,
that's
jeez.
Next generation.
You say I left. I think I had like.
Where's it go?
Like 12,000%, 1,200% on RKK.
And you talking about art? You talking about art?
I said, nah, that shit going a 4 year. That shit going to the moon. Yo, that shit was up 12.
But bro, you can't
like 1,200%.
She was on the heater.
Wow, shit.
Huh? She was on the heater, bro. And she is the definition of like, bro, her portfolio, if she would kept like just the main joints, bro,
it would have been fine.
bro.
She would have been fine.
When she started pivoting to other stuff, I'm like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
And they just smoked her. They smoked her, boy, they got her out the way.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what our homeboy Tommy thing doing though. We getting all-time highs in August.
You know his Ethereum fund is getting crushed.
Which one is that?
It's like BMNR or BTMB shit. BMNR or something like that. Bitcoin. It's like an Ethereum treasury.
Yeah, I don't know the name, but they asking about
It's
it.
B. It's like B. I think it's BN or BM. Shit. Or just type in it's like Bitmain. So if you type in now with an M. BITM. There you go. BMNR. That's it. There you go.
What the fuck?
This shit not even popping up. What is this?
Nah, it's right there. You just gotta.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
down.
there you go. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's it.
When that shit came up?
A while back, but
Good
all
shit,
I know
good
is
shit,
I would just say you just gotta pay attention to the most recent price action because it got the
Dang.
God damn, what the fuck is this?
That's why I came up like that. God.
What is this?
Oh, let's keep going up. What the heck?
But you can't. That's 2,000 each. That stuff ain't even relevant, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yo.
Is this real?
Right.
This gotta be fake.
That's why I said just pay attention to the most recent price action.
Hey, bro, I ain't never seen it.
That's real. That pop right there, where it went from $10 to the 160, that was real.
Yeah. Dang.
That happened.
Yeah, what you specialize in?
I retired right there.
I don't know. I think that I want to say that's his. That's Tom.
ETF thing for.
Nah, he has the granny thing, but then he got this too. So that's something else.
This is that. Oh.
Carl said Kathy Wood runs the largest cash he said the largest cash incinerator on the. No, you know what though? You're not lying about that, Carl, because I read something about like her fund was one of like the worst wealth. It took like the most wealth or some shit. Like basically a bunch of people lost a crap ton of money. But yes, to that effect. Yeah, it wasn't good. It wasn't good.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't good.
Sure. Then she made a fund for space and all this other stuff.
Yeah, she was going crazy. I remember she had everybody wanted the whole ARC family. I'm getting ARC F. I'm getting ARC X. I'm getting ARC G. I'm getting ARKK. I'm getting what was she had the fintech, the genomics, the space, the robotics. Now everything. I will say this: the robotics one been actually pumping. Go look up ARKQ. That one actually is doing pretty good. Her autonomous technology and robot joint. This one is actually doing pretty decent. Can't be mad at that one. That one made almost a full recovery.
Be shape. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, top holdings.
But yeah, everybody, we wanted the whole ARC family, boy. What's them top holding names?
Tessie.
She got Tesla, K-Top, Palantir is probably helping her. Rocket Lab,
AMD, I see that.
Aerovav probably helping her. AMD, Amazon, Deere, Nvidia, TSM. I'll tell you the reason probably why that joint came back like it did is definitely.
Damn, they got some hitters in there.
Yeah, they do. She do
But I
this.
would say her main holdings, them to go to the top ranked ones, because that's the fact that K-Toss actually did pretty good, but that her Palantir, the Rocket Lab, the Aerovav, those joints, them joints right there did them. They've been doing really goddamn good.
I ain't gonna lie. This is actually I would invest in this next time I have a pullback. I like these companies. This ain't bad.
Yeah, that's her probably her best fund right there.
Shaq nasty so yeah.
Oh yeah. So I
we
won't
pushing
be
back up.
Mm-hmm.
I won't be available next Wednesday.
Okay.
I'm going to the Chris Brown concert.
Okay.
Actually, next Wednesday. That's the 13th.
Yeah.
Yeah, runners.
Yeah. The 13th.
We got runners.
Ain't none of us. Huh?
We got runners meetup.
Right? We do, but it's the book club though.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So actually, we're gonna have to we're gonna probably miss 2 Wednesdays in a row.
Yeah.
Or we'll just do Thursdays.
Hey, that's true.
So we can just do Thursday. He said, put up ICP on Binance. Wait, put up ICP on Binance, and you'll see it works for. Oh, pull up. Okay, I got you. Pull up ICP. I think that's got to be, and then do it on the Binance platform.
That one. Dang.
Yeah, there we go. That's I see. That's the one he told me. What happened? You gotta go you probably gotta put it on the monthly. Oh my god! What the? No, ain't no way. That's in two. That can't be real, bro.
Car, that's the one you were in. Car, he was in one of these. So
it went to 2,800, and then they sold it all the way down to.
Yeah.
That first candle looks crazy. The fact that it went from.
Let me go to a day. I gotta go to a day.
No, that can't be real, bro.
Yeah, it is real.
In one day, though.
It's a daily. This is a week. So
that's when. What?
Okay. Ooh, I was about to say. Okay. But still,
wasn't this? This one, that case came out. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's that shit called?
You just got me on.
Yeah, that junk got you all messed up.
Yeah,
I'm trying to see on the daily. So
that's what I'm saying. Look at that.
Yeah, this one day.
This is a daily.
Yeah.
No, in one day it went from 200 all the way up to 2,800, and then came all the way back down.
Bro, what do you do in a situation like?
You can't get out.
That is crazy,
bro. The next day it went always 2,800. The next day just started trading at 250.
Yeah, that is.
This was an FDS shit, right?
Carl said, boom. He said, no, it's real. He said it was an ICO BitBoy. Oh,
yeah.
That makes sense. It was an initial coin offering, that day.
Yeah.
So Cozy said, cry. He said, what do we do? Cry. Yeah, it's at $5. That's even sicker. It's at $5 now. The fact that it was at 2,800 and it's at $5.
So
that's criminal, bro.
Yeah.
That's criminal.
That is fucking crazy.
I gotta Google this,
that's criminal, bro.
Somebody had to be in trouble for that, bro. Ain't no way around.
I think that was there.
Is BitBoy in jail?
Yeah, he was.
And I don't do nothing for me, bro. He gotta be in the ground, bro.
Wow. Shaq Nasty said BitBoy did that and he's still alive. He not in jail? Or I guess you saying he not in jail for that, but he in jail. He just in jail for something else.
I think he's in jail, yeah.
Okay.
Bro, that.
Damn. What else he do? Shit,
Oh,
if he ain't in jail for that, what?
bro,
If you,
that
yo, the
guy,
funny thing is, if you're not in jail for that, what did you do?
bro, he's funny as hell. He got caught cheating on his wife on YouTube.
Who, Bit Boy?
Yeah, and he's a
What?
yo, it's funny, bro. Yeah,
I gotta look this guy up. I have no
yo,
clue
this
who he
guy's
is.
a clown, bro. He's a clown. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
bro, you gotta find him because the internet ain't giving me nothing. They bringing
Yeah,
up Big Boy. They bringing up Big Boy from Outkast. I'm like,
That Big Boy was big in the crypto space.
You guys seen Battlefield 6? He said, "Have y'all seen Battlefield 6? Is that a movie or a game? If it's a
Game.
video, if
that's
it's a video
game.
game.
I played
I-
Battlefield 5.
You play that shit, Quadree? I don't got time for that shit.
5, boy. No damn Call of Duty.
Call of Duty right here. NQ is my Call of Duty. My sniper.
That's what I was about to. Oh, he said it's a game. Man, listen, the last time I played a video game was probably Madden 05, 06.
Dang, that's
Dang.
PS2, Xbox days, bro.
Yeah, literally. Like, bro, once I went to college, that was it. Like,
That's it.
I stopped playing video games.
So you
Dog.
got, my guy started smoking weed and getting party.
No, it wasn't even that. I tell you, bro, when I ain't really start smoking, like talking about when until I started pledging.
Mm.
When I started pledging, and like,
What year you play? Sophomore year?
Nah, I pledged my sophomore year, so it was 2007, 2008 is when I pledged, and yeah, bro, I needed something to.
Yeah, I know that.
I needed something to get my mind right after, because shit was crazy. So, yeah,
Right.
and I used to get home late at night, roll one up.
Chief
Help
Keef.
calm my nerves, bro. They had us on edge, dog.
That's great.
To this day, my boy, bro, he can't. It was
still pushing.
It was the group me sound. He hate that sound, bro. He in PTSD, bro.
Because he pledged.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it'd be like that. Like for me, I mean, I'll say, for now, shit. For me, it's 17. Yeah, I'm going on 17 years ago when I pledged. I'll tell you, like, that song, the Rock by Jay-Z, the Rock Boys, we in the building tonight. Oh man, it was on the you know which one I'm talking about? It was on the what fucking soundtrack was that?
American Gangster.
American Gangster.
American Gangster.
Yes, it was on that American Gangster. Yo, that song right there. Every time I fucking hear that song, I be like, oh my god. And so it's that song, and then the Lupe Fiasco album where he had the kick push on there. Oh, that was our album, bro. Me and my LBs, we used to that's who we used to listen to Lupe before we used to go to set.
Yeah.
Oh, woo! That song, the Rock Boys were in the building tonight, and then that Lupe album. Pop, man. Dog. It just takes me back.
We're still pushing, bro. Cozy, you still in? I know you be killing it.
Yeah. But shit, man, we about to get off in 5 minutes. We gave him an extra 30 tonight because we started late. So But yeah, we still pushing, man. We still pushing.
Yeah, dang, I should have turned my tray.
He said could be he showed up at his partner's house to get his Lambo back with his girlfriend.
Wait, hold on, yo.
While he was married, high as fucking in live stream. That's what he talking about the Bit Boy. Yo, that dude crazy.
Yeah, he bugging, bro. I saw that I'm like, yo, this nigga's crazy.
Is this him right here?
He said, I dropped my kids off at school.
Yeah, that's Big Boy.
Listening to the trap rap and slinging dope in the hood.
Wait, this Big Boy?
Shag Nasty.
Nah.
That's him?
That's Big Boy, yeah.
Hey, I just want to say I'm with you.
On who? Jack Nasty? That's my
Yes, I
guy.
do the same. I do the same thing. He said he dropped his kids off and then he listened to trap, bruh. I ain't even going front. I think my oldest daughter pretty much know the whole Clips album. I ain't care, bro. I was listening to it with her. I don't. You just gonna have to listen to this.
So
You just got to listen to this one, baby girl.
crazy is they got a show tonight in New York and Marty in Brooklyn.
No, I know. I wanted the clip. They was at George Mason, but it's when I go out of town. I was supposed to go to it, but yeah,
It's tomorrow night. I was looking at tickets, but I'm like, we got the show.
Brooklyn.
Yeah, that's
actually the 8th. Actually, they pushed. Okay, I might
two phones.
I might pull up.
Friday's a legendary day though.
In Brooklyn too. That's all it's a train ride.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you straight up, them tickets, they ain't even crazy expensive.
Nah, bro, and the venue's small. I've been in these venues; they really small, bro. So it's like
yep. That's why I'm a big Clips fan. I definitely wanted to go, so I'm a little tight. I'm gonna have to miss it, but
Friday. You going Friday?
Shag Nasty funny, but most definitely, yo. Like, I just tell my daughter, don't you say none of them bad words. But I damn sure be in the car.
I'll
be going in. Music be loud, like I ain't got my daughter in the car, yo. Oh man.
Yeah, I might pull up then on that on Friday. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, Friday.
Hopefully, my wife can watch it tonight.
I go Dolo too. I don't care.
But fellas, man, y'all got anything? We listen, we don't judge. I'm with you, bro. Y'all got anything before we roll for this evening, man?
No, just be patient. I'm seeing what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a push before I drop tomorrow.
How so all right, what's the push you want to see? What's the level you looking for real quick?
Let me see. I got you right now. Could see a push to
What would you want the high day to be at 3:00, bro?
The what?
What would you want the high day today to be? 3:00 in the morning?
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, market open could be either way. Yeah. I want to see what happens around 23 to 20, 23 to 20, which is right there, like 100 point more.
That's a beautiful range. I just
and let's see what happens around that area. We can push a little higher too. Depends if London or New York made the higher day. Let's see what happens.
Noted. Damn, Dre, that zone is right there too. I was thinking, and you said a little bit higher. The one I was looking at was 23,235.
Yeah, that was my level today, 25, which is that fair.
But Cozy just said the same. Cozy said, "Yeah, give me 241." Yep, I can see that. Yep, I said 235, so I'm a couple points. Yep, 23, 241. We all right there.
Yep. See what happens.
Yeah,
bad. Quadree, what you got for the folks? We gassing.
Shoot. Listen, live the train of the day. Money isn't everything, but it's the only thing.
Yo, Quadree, your stop never got hit. You took it out, but you never got stopped out.
Yeah, when you was away, I went over my trade. So I got in at 8:15, right? So I was on through 8:15. I seen all this chop. Usually when I see that, I cut my trade, bro. I don't be.
Yeah, I feel the same.
So like, we got almost to my TP. Yeah. I wanted 97.
Yeah,
we got almost to 97, and then you know how to usually But I see why you took your entry though. You used the MAE, right?
Well, I used that in the swing low.
Yep.
Yeah, but
so it is what it is. But I was in that trade too long for it not to go nowhere. It did what it's supposed to do. So amen.
Bad. Well, look, man, we'll see y'all tomorrow, 7:15. Same. We will be on time tomorrow. We just had some.
God willing, yes.
Yeah, we had some dual commitments. But we'll be back tomorrow, 7:15. Dre, you finished up what 2 for 2 tonight?
2 for 2, yeah.
And then Quadree, you was what 1 for 1?
Yeah, little profit, minimum profit.
Same here.
Yeah.
I did this. I did the same thing. I was 1 for 1. It was a small trade. Nothing crazy. So yeah, man, we'll catch y'all tomorrow, 7:15. Everybody have a great trading day.
Have a great night, family. And see ya.
Good night.
See ya too. See your car tomorrow. Magic Hour.